Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tapashri and I make fashion and YouTube videos here. So if you haven't been subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. So guys, today I'm going to talk you through my top 5 personal favorite foundations. So let's just get started. So the first foundation I want to talk to you about is like the most popular foundation, which is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this is like one of the most used and tried and tested foundation by most of us, and it should be because it is really good. Like the formula is so good. So they have also updated this with a pump, and it costs for 549 rupees for 30 ml of product. So this foundation gives you from short to medium coverage, and it gives you like the dewy finish, and it's a great everyday foundation. So this foundation gives you like a skin like finish, and it blends well. And if you're trying foundation for the first time, I would totally recommend you to go for this particular Fit Me foundation. You would not regret it. So the shade range in this foundation is about 16 shades. It ranges from neutral to cool and warm undertone. You would probably not find olive undertone in this, which is also kind of important if you're an olive skin tone type. And it also comes in a tiny packaging, which is a mini of it. So it comes in around 6 shades. So if you fall into any of the 6 shades, then you can go for the mini and just try it out how you like this foundation. So yep. Then the next foundation I would like to talk about is this 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So this costs for about 475 rupees for 25 ml of product. So it has also got SPF 20, which is a great thing, and it really gives you like this natural flawless finish, and it blends well. Yeah. Then this is also a buildable foundation. It gives you like medium to high coverage. If you have got a lot of marks and all, or any acne blemishes and stuff like that, then you can go for this because this is buildable and it gives you like a matte finish. If you're an oily skin type also, you could go for this. This is really great product. This gives you like good coverage compared to the first Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this Lakme 95 foundation has got around 16 shades in the foundation. So the shade ranges from cool to warm to neutral undertone, and yeah, that's it. So it's great for Indian skin tones. So the third foundation I want to talk to you about is again the Maybelline foundation. So this is a Super Stay full coverage foundation, 24 hours full coverage foundation. So this is one of the nicest full coverage foundation I have used so far, and it claims to be full coverage foundation. It is 24-hour wear, oil control, shine free, breathable and comfortable, sweat and sebum resistance, oil free, does not clog pores, and fade and transfer resistance. And all these claims are correct. So I'm like this oily skin type person, so I tend to get a lot more oilier even after mattifying my makeup and so on, but this one stays true to its claim. So it comes in this glass packaging and with this plastic cover on top, and it also comes with a pump, which is great. But one thing about all this packaging with the pump is that a lot of product gets stored inside and it does not come out when you're about to finish the product. So I would ask you to actually take off the pump and then just finish off the product, because it's a lot of product that gets left inside. So just don't throw your the bottle out just because you think it's over. It probably isn't. Okay, so this retails for around 750 rupees for 30 ml of product, and it does not clog your pores. It is really transfer proof and it really blends well. So for me, it gives me from medium to full coverage, and it is a buildable foundation. Yeah, so if you want a foundation especially for like festive occasions or special occasions, then you can go for this. This is pretty affordable for this quality of product. Okay, so the next two foundations I want to talk about are stick foundation. So the first stick foundation I'll talk to you about is this one. So this is a Krylon TV paint stick. So this retails for 1,350 rupees for 25 grams of product. And when I say 25 grams of product, that's a lot of product for a stick foundation, honestly. So I'll show you. So it comes in this twist and turn wala tube. What is it called? So the product looks like this, and it comes okay. So this means like, this much of the product be filled up, so you can imagine the amount of use you can get from this. And yes, it lasts very long and it can give you like the full coverage that you want. This is also recommended by makeup artists. Most of the makeup artists use this, and it gives you like this flawless base. It covers up all your pigmentation marks, everything. You can cover up your entire skin literally. So this is one of my favorite. I've been using it for about a year and so much of product is still left, and it has a wide variety of shade range, guys, like literally. This product have got around 85 to 96 shades, I think, from dark to medium to light, and it has got all the skin tones, undertones, that is like warm, cool, neutral, and also olive tone. So I'm sure you'll find your shade in this, but it's very difficult to understand which is your skin shade. So I would ask you to actually go to the shop and buy it directly, and if you know your shade, then you can directly go on krylon.com and buy the product from there, because a lot of these websites online are selling fake products. So please don't go and buy from any unknown sites, because they're just probably selling like fake Krylon products. So you should go on krylon.com, or else you go to a much trusted shop from where you can buy this. So I have got FS28. Okay, I'll show you. In case you're my shade, then you can go for this. This is FS28. So this is like a neutral tone foundation. It has hints of pink and yellow in it, so it goes perfectly with it. So the fifth foundation I want to talk to you about is from Sugar Cosmetics. So it comes in this cardboard packaging. I haven't thrown the packaging out because it's so cute. So the product looks like this. So it's a stick foundation. It's called the Ace of Face foundation stick. So it's made in Korea, guys, but Sugar Cosmetics is an Indian brand, as you know it. So it comes like this. So the product comes in this packaging, so you can just roll it and you'll get your stick foundation, like this. And on the other side you get this brush, which I haven't tried yet because it's so nice and clean and I don't want to dirty it. But then yeah, so if you're running late or if you want to travel this along with you, it's completely travel friendly. So if you're in the cab or whatever and you want to do your foundation, you can just quickly use this brush which they have given. But I feel this brush is very tiny, so it will take up a lot of time to actually blend in the foundation. To be honest, this foundation is very blendable. So it has about medium to full coverage and it's a buildable foundation. So if you want to go for full coverage, then you can like build up the product and get full coverage out of it. To be honest, I am oily skin and this works perfectly for me. It does not clog my pores, it gives me a flawless finish, and I sometimes use a beauty blender or a brush to blend in this foundation, and it does give me like this flawless base. So this stick foundation have got a lot of shades, especially yellow shades in their shade range. So they have about 22 shades, which are really great, and certainly they also have one olive shade, which is the shade, let me show you, which is a shade number 25. Okay, it was the same one. So the shade number 25 is actually an olive undertone foundation. It's called 25 Macchiato. So this is a shade, so it's an olive shade. So for people who are olive shade, they can go for this if you're from medium to light skin tone. So yeah, so I have got this in two shades, in number 20 and number 25. That is how much I actually love this product. This product rates for $9.99 for 12 grams of product, which is pretty decent, and I feel it's a bit expensive, but the quality of the product is really good, and I love the packaging. Like, look at this. This is so high end and it's really good. It's also like travel friendly. If you want to travel with it, then yeah. And certainly this has started becoming my favorite foundation so far. This is one of my top most used foundations these days. So here we come to the end of the video. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you found this kind of informative. If you're just starting off with makeup and if you want to buy a foundation, obviously you have to, so you can choose from any of these 5 foundations. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. So that's all for the video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down whatever you think about this video, and if you have any suggestions, do leave them in my comments below. And that's all for today. So thank you guys for watching till the end. So see you next time. Bye bye.